Hello and welcome to John Banks Honda in Colchester. Today we're going to be looking around this used Peugeot Partner Tepee that we currently have on site. It's a 2016 plate, 1.6 diesel automatic with just over 31,000 miles on the clock, presenting very well for both the age and the mileage. Now, as mentioned in the title, this is a wheelchair accessible converted vehicle as well, so not only do you get quite a lot of space for the passengers inside, obviously it makes it a unique one as well. I'll quickly show you around the exterior of the vehicle. Again, finished in this lovely Blue Kyanos metallic paint. So, speaking of the rear seats, very nice and easy to get into because of the slide door. And I've configured the chairs so we can see how it fits for wheelchairs. Again, straight away though, obviously you do get quite a lot of leg room, an awful lot of headroom, and there are these little secret little hidden cubbies just under the chairs in front. So as you can see, you can not only fold the chairs down, but you can also slide them as far forward as possible by folding them up. And again, it's as nice and easy as by simply just pulling the chair forward. And then there's a bar at the back, which just lets us shift the entire chair forward. That then locks into place, so it stops them from springing down. So if I then move around to the boot, we can see how it works. So in its current configuration, as I say, you see all the chairs have been folded forward, so it does open up the boot to fit almost any wheelchair. And again, it's a nice easy operation. You just first move this handlebar down to release the first step, and then this one lets you move out the tray and slides it down for you. And then all you simply do is just pull the handle on this one, and that lets it fall to the floor. So this does also come with a winch as well, as you can see, just located in the middle. And there is a handy little control just behind the D pillar to operate it. So the way it works is you simply can move it out or in, and that'll move this bar in and out so you can attach it to anything that you might need to. And then once you're finished, all you need to do is just fold it back up again, but it's very much the same steps as it was backwards. So you move this one in, so you can do one of two things. So you can either lay it completely flat upright once you have someone in, or if we fold it back down again, when the vehicle is empty, again we'll just pull on this bar. That'll raise it in, as you can see as such. But what you have to do with this one is when it's in roughly around about this position, you just need to fold the extra mat at the bottom in, so it just tucks underneath. And of course the last bit is locking the rear in place, and then just simply closing the boot. Now what is handy with the exterior of the vehicle as well is that you do get rear parking sensors as well. So it does mean that despite the fact the visibility being absolutely amazing in the vehicle, it does mean you can park as close as what you need to, just in case. Moving around to the front of the vehicle, pretty much as you'll find hiding is all the extra features as well. So you have your automatic climate control, you have your CD player with your Bluetooth audio. Below that you have your electric windows for both the driver and passenger, and they both are automatic as well. Being the automatic model, you just have the dial on the left of the steering wheel to rotate into reverse, neutral, automatic or manual mode, especially if you want to take advantage of the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. One other nice neat feature that you do get on this vehicle as well is the electrically operated wing mirrors. And you do also get cruise control and your speed limiter just to the bottom left of the steering wheel as well. So if you feel like this vehicle ticks a lot of your boxes, by all means, please pop on down. We can take you out on a test drive in it, obviously show you off any of the other features whilst you are here. We can also do things such as part exchange evaluations, and we can also run you through any finance quotes as well, should you need them.